I think Jeff's been in this a while.
6 years.
Whoa!
So what are you doing? You filming a vlog?
Yeah, I might vlog this. This is a vlog about a nomadic meetup I went to about a week ago, and you're gonna get to see some people's rigs in this video. I'm Alicia. I've been living in my truck camper for 2 years. Today I'm headed to Northwest Nomads. I'm getting pretty close. It's gonna be a smaller nomadic meetup. I'm feeling pretty optimistic about it. It's been a drizzly day, which is weird for Central Oregon. That doesn't happen very much. We got the fall, it's getting cold. I'm not really excited about it, to be honest. Woo! Yeah!
Take the next left, then turn left. Turn left onto 5th Standard Parallel Old Ford Rock Road, then turn left.
Where am I?
Then turn right.
The first night we had a pizza night, and they made dough for us and everybody brought toppings. My favorite was these like candied jalapenos that were brought from a farm in Oregon. The next morning was really foggy. Coming out now, and it's gotten a bit warmer. I've been hanging out for a little while in my camper, just staying warm until the sun came out. I'm gonna change, go check out everybody's camper, van, tiny house. This is my cornhole partner, Jeff. I had no idea that he was like, this will always be my cornhole partner forever.
Cornhole for life.
Yeah. Let's see your van.
Want to see my van?
Yeah. Is it clean, or are we just seeing the outside?
It's cleanish.
Okay. Okay, so I think Jeff has been making all of his stuff smart.
Oh, sure.
Not yet, or?
Yeah, there's some smarts going on.
He might be smart, I don't know.
TBD. Could be dumb, unclear. His name is Bob.
Uh-huh. I think Jeff's been in this a while.
6 years.
Whoa! Okay.
All the lights can be controlled from here. You can turn my inverter on and off. Fan control.
That's pretty cool.
This shows the temperature history inside the van and the refrigerator. So I can know if my refrigerator is operating. I like this as a full-time feature, which is it shows me the zip code of the area I'm in. So if I want to do grocery pickup or Amazon delivery, I know the zip code, because you never know the zip code.
Yeah, that is great.
That's my solar stats, how much voltage is coming in. different temperature histories. It's not obvious that there's stuff going on,
Okay.
but there's stuff going on. So we got washing machine.
How much are you washing your clothes in here?
Not too often, maybe every couple weeks, month. I've got a sound bar that I can stream to always, and then a way to have a TV kind of set up for bed.
How often do you use the TV?
Fairly often.
Really?
Not for like TV, but like streaming shows.
Okay, I just realized all of his kitchen is magnetic. That is so funny.
You just put little magnets. That's all my silverware.
His little sink you can just take right out. He's like the simple tinker, like the most simple solution.
Oh
shit.
it's really deep here.
It's so bad here. It's so bad. I told everybody, I was like, go to the right, go to the right. They're like,
Riding my one wheel on BLM land was probably the funnest part. We did this group ride and it was really hard in this soft sand and so much fun.
You just gotta get out of her way.
This guy's letting me look in his house and I don't even know his name.
Joe Bacon.
Little homie has been on the chipmunks today. We'll see if he's cleaned it.
That's all my wife. So this one and this one works off of the light switch. I'd like the bed to rise up to the ceiling, but right now I just have E-track with Unistrut holding it up like a platform for now. It works. And then we have banquette seating all the way around the back, which is full of storage while we're building it.
Oh,
Huh?
I'm impressed.
Right?
How do you keep your cabinets shut?
This particular one, I haven't figured out how to latch it yet,
Uh-huh.
but this one.
Because this is one of my biggest. Oh.
So these are just lockers. And these are just cheap, you can buy.
Wait, where did you get these lockers? Let me click this.
I think it was Facebook Marketplace for like 20 bucks. Lockers are crazy expensive and
Okay.
heavy, so that might have been a mistake.
Okay.
And then these were from Restore. Check this out. Easy, super easy. Watch this. Ready? Watch.
Oh.
Yeah, they're super cheap. They're just magnet and then they're motion and they recharge.
Oh my gosh, where did you get those?
I think those were on like Temu, which is
This
pennies.
guy's brilliant.
Yeah.
What is Temu? It's like a Chinese company
Yeah,
online?
yeah.
Okay.
This is actually a 110 light that had a converter. So I just cut the wire and I hooked it up 12 volt. And then this is gonna blow your mind.
That's kind of impressive.
I hooked up the 12 volts in a 110 box with the light switches. So
Okay.
even though this is a 110 box and a 110 switch, it's hooked up with 12 volt inside.
That's cool.
Right? And my wife wanted the double sink of any room. And she goes, what if we do a peninsula? I was like, yeah, in a box van you can do a peninsula. That would work. So we just bought a dresser. And then I just modified it to fit so that the sink could be peninsula. And then this is kind of cool. I made this like a door. And then these little guys. Yeah.
Where did you get that?
The dresser was Restore. And then I just cut it up and modified it to fit, how I wanted it to be.
Where did you work on this at? Your house? When you had a house?
Oh my gosh. We just kept going and like visiting people that would let us build. So
Okay.
we started out in Texas, and then we had some buddies that we knew from farmers markets in Malibu in California, and then we house sat at a buddy's house in West Lynn, which is south of Portland, Oregon. And then we did a little bit more recently at Renee's house, who does the Tiny Fest, and
Where is that?
she's in Roseburg, Oregon.
He's coming back.
So the box fan didn't come with these toolboxes, so I added the toolboxes for more storage. And this one, I just cut the front of it off. So behind it is the def tank. And then the, you can't really see it too well, but the mini split is mounted, the outdoor unit of the mini split air conditioner is mounted here on a hinge.
Okay.
So when I need to put def fluid, I can hinge this down and add the def fluid, and then my mini split air conditioner is hidden. It just looks like another toolbox.
I don't know that your rig's stealthy, but
It's not, I know.
looks like he's been to Tiny Fest.
Well, Tiny Fest, it's a festival about all things tiny. So they have tiny homes as well as like nomad rigs, professional builds, like everything in between. So no matter what you're in the market for, well,
That's kind of cool.
yeah, and then you can see,
Get ideas.
get ideas, and then it makes it more attainable and more, it's really inspiration, especially the nomad village, you know.
When is that?
The
Or do they have
next
multiple?
the next one is in March in San Diego. Yeah. Sprinter chassis with the 16-foot box on the back. You would think I'd be able to find another Sprinter van.
Did you buy it like that?
Yeah, it came with the box on it, and then I just had to cut for the windows. You know, it was like a U-Haul truck, basically, right?
Yeah.
So I added the boxes. So what I do on the roof is I have it so that the rack, you know, first of all, the rack is made of E-track, which is usually what you strap down, you know, your furniture on the U-Haul truck on the inside. So I thought that would be really strong and look kind of cool.
Oh, okay.
So what I do is I have the solar panels on top, and then those articulate up. So it's full solar panel array, full deck, and then full storage underneath. I have 20 storage bins up there.
This guy spent more on his roof than...
If you look over here, you can see the storage.
I knew once I got out there I'd be.
So you can see how the deck has hatches. They're called smuggler's hatches. And then there's 20 of those storage bins up there.
Oh.
And then the solar panels do articulate off. I don't know if you can see them. There's 4 350 panels laying down on the deck right now, but they articulate off, and I can add the conduit and make a pop-up on the roof as well. I added the triangle on the top, so the pop-up, like those pop-ups, can actually be built on top of the roof. Dang it, I didn't bring a drink up.
I left on Sunday morning. There was music Saturday night, and then I left early in the morning, mostly because my camper batteries were dead. I wasn't getting any sunlight. It was a cloudy weekend. There was a lot of trees, so I might get a spot with electrical, like a plug-in next year. I also just was talking to people all weekend, and I needed a break from people for a couple of days. In hindsight, like, this was a really good event for me because I have been in my camper for a couple of years. I've been to one of these events, but it wasn't like full-time travelers. It was pretty much a weekend camp out for everybody, and like Descend is more, it has a lot more weekenders than full-timers, and so it was great to connect with people that are on the road full-time and kind of are living the lifestyle. I would definitely go to this one again. I liked the smaller event. I liked that you could continue to see the same people and really build some connections. That's it for this week's episode. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing some people's rigs, and I'll see you next week. Bye.